Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and end of the week is upon us, so today is Friday, December 6th of 2019, and here are our morning announcements for today. Our first grade students will have a field trip today for the IOU holiday season, so that will be happening at 11:45, and they will be gone until about approximately 1:30. Our December birthdays to announce, we have two birthdays, so happy birthday to Autumn Kyle and Kylie Lampy. So happy birthday to both of you. Hope you guys have a great day. Our lunch choices for today is cheese pizza, chicken sandwich, or sun butter and jelly. And since it is Friday and we had a full week, I do have a riddle for you. So the riddle is, I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I? Have to think about that one, guys. So just kind of let me know if you think the answer would be. If you find me out and about, you can give me a response. First three winners get a prize. So just kind of letting you know that if you just kind of come down to the office for no reason, or if you're just trying to search me out, that's not appropriate. You're missing instructional time. That's not a good thing. Only if you see me out and about do you give me an answer. I don't want to disrupt things that are happening in the class. Save your responses until you see me. Our pause expectations are brought to you by our first grade students and Mr. Zaremski's class.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our pause expectations, and we do have some students here from first grade in Mr. Z's class who are going to review those expectations.
Work hard to figure out hard math problems.
That's good examples. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. And everyone have a great end of the week. Have a wonderful day and have a super Friday.